Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Guru and this is Guru Design Lab. Today we are tackling exercise 15 completely. You can see here. Inside SolidWorks, we will break down this complex layout step by step, starting from master 2D sketch, utilizing symmetric features to save time and adding the counterboard holes exactly to the blueprint specification. By the end of this video, you will master how to read these dimensions and turn them into a clean parametric 3D model. Drop a like if you are ready to level up your CAD skills, hit that subscribe button, and let's open your SolidWorks and get started. You can see here this model will be ready. So first we close this model and start from a sketch part. Take any plane, front plane, a sketch, take a center rectangle of 280 by 80, 200 by 8, 280 length, and this is also 280. So after that we can create some reference line from this midpoint to midpoint. Select center line, create here a center line, and after that take another center line at here. Go to smart dimension and measure it. This is 200, this is 100, this is also 200, and from here to here 100, and create another reference line, another sketch, select it for construction, and measure it 180 mm, and here from here is 90 mm. Create a circle at this point, midpoint, and here measure it for 40 mm. Take a center rectangle at this point, go to smart dimension, measure it for 100 mm, ten mm. Take another center rectangle at this point, go to smart dimension and measure it for 20 mm, right? Take another say center line at this point. For construction, take it for construction. Select, go to smart dimension and measure it for 10 mm. Create a circle here at this midpoint of 108 mm. Sorry, 108 mm. Take another circle at here. Go to smart dimension. Sorry. First we select these circles with control button and make it equal. After that, sorry, select this outer circle, make it equal, and inner circle select with control button and make it equal. Go to smart dimension. First one measure it for 60 mm and second one is 40 mm. Go to trim entities and trim the all extra part which is not required. Remove all the extra lines which is not required, and after that we can extrude it. Go to fillet and select these corners. It's all four corners and parameters is 40 mm. You can see here fillet will be applied. Now you can move to the features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 20 mm. You can see after that the holes are created and select this arrow button and sketch, show it and go to extrude boss base, select the region, select this region and extrude it up to 25 mm as we can see in this exercise. Say it okay, sketch it, hide it. You can see here this product is ready and there you have it. Exercise 15 is officially completed. We have successfully took that detailed blueprint, broke down the symmetry and built a clean parametric 3D model right here in SolidWorks. You can see if you followed along with along and ran into any issues with dimension or features, just drop a comment below. I read and reply all of them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to the Guru Design Lab, and so you never miss a new design challenge. Click right here to watch the next exercise in the playlist. You check out this video, that YouTube links is perfect for you. Thank you so much for watching. I am Guru and we will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.